What it do, baby? We have the Stranger Things Nike Cortez out here today. If you guys want to check out the Blazers and the Tailwind review, we have it in our previous video. We didn't pick it up yesterday, but we picked up the Cortez today at Kith. And let's see what this shoe is all about. Size 6, here's the box, real quick. And let's get onto the swoosh. Gray metallic swoosh, 3M right behind a green swoosh. Tongue is a foam material, really soft. Stranger Things Nike, green tab on the tongue. And as the same as like the other two pairs, it has a set of 3 pins included in this shoe. If it does not include the 3 pins, you probably got finessed. But every shoe in this collaboration should have these set of pins, exact same on all 3 pairs. Classic silhouette right here, the Cortez, a really classic design. Clean white throughout. The inside here, exact same. White soft leather. 3M, as you can see on the gray part. With a little bit of orange around the entire bottom on the sole. Now let's check out the back. Hawkins High School patch stitched on both shoes. Nike in the white green leather back here. This is probably the best detail of it. And here's the back part of the tongue. Property of Hawkins High School Athletic Department. But yeah, this shoe is actually a size 6 because Kith didn't get any of the bigger sizes. I think Kith and Bait only got up to a size 6.5 or 7, that's the biggest, just like generic grade school sizes, because the men's sizes were supposedly supposed to be on the sneakers app only, but it might be like a late shipment or something. But if you guys are interested in getting like a men's size of this Cortez, I would suggest waiting out and seeing if like your local stores are getting them too, because they told me that they got a late shipment, but I'm not sure if that's true or not. And yeah, here you have it, the Cortez Stranger Things. Really classic, leathery, soft silhouette. Oh yeah, retail $120, like the Tailwind and the Blazers. Green box with Stranger Things in here. And a newspaper wrapping. Same for every shoe in this Stranger Things collaboration. And yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos from this awesome collaboration.